Here's how to fix AMD Timeout Has Occurred error in Windows 10 or 11. The first thing you can try is updating your AMD graphics driver. Open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and open it. Here, expand Display Adapters and locate your AMD graphics card. Right-click it, select Update Driver, and choose Search Automatically for Drivers. If Windows says the best drivers are already installed, you can try downloading the latest driver directly from AMD. Open your browser, search for AMD Install Latest Driver, and open the official AMD website. Download the Windows Driver tool and launch it. Once the application is open, simply update your drivers through the app. If you already have the AMD software installed, simply open it and check whether you're running the latest available graphics drivers. If the error continues, the next solution is to modify a setting in the Windows registry. Open the Start menu, search for Registry Editor, and open it. Here, expand HKey Local Machine, then expand System, then expand Current Control Set, and then Control. Here, scroll down and find the Graphics Drivers folder. Select this folder without expanding it and look for a value called TDR Delay. If you already have this value, double-click it and make sure the value data is set to 10, then click OK. If TDR Delay isn't available, right-click an empty area on the right side, select New, and choose DWord 32-bit value. Name the new value TDR Delay, making sure the capitalization is correct. Press Enter, then double-click the new value and change the value data to 10. Click OK to save the change. Once you've completed these steps, restart your computer and check whether the AMD timeout error has been resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.